Welcome back to today's morning report on Friday the 4th of December with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Antec Markets. Let's look at Eurodollar now, and what a move we saw yesterday on Eurodollar. Huge upside day. We actually saw a low of 105.38 just prior to the ECB meeting announcement. We got a high of 109.80, so across the course of the day you had a rally of 440 pips before you started to sort of slight retracement of that move. So what a huge move that is. Incredible stuff. Big short squeeze on Euro. I have been talking about this all week, but interesting that we've actually seen it come through. It went actually much further than I thought it was going to do. I thought it was only going to go towards sort of 108.10, which is that old key floor, which I thought was going to become resistance. Interesting that you're now trading above that. I think that level now becomes the basis of support again. It did play a bit of a role intraday yesterday, this level, but again, it's sort of as this Euro rally has rolled over at 109.80, and again a slightly lower high at 109.46. Interestingly enough, I think that 108.10 level is going to become the basis of support again. I think this has become slightly sort of corrective, this move, and it'll be interesting to see what happens today, because obviously we've got these payrolls numbers that come out, and that could obviously have an impact on this chart again. Well, certainly volatility wise it will. Exactly how it impacts on the chart, well, I think if payrolls come anywhere near in line with expectations, I think that's just going to maintain the dollar, maintain the sort of move that we've seen pretty much, because I think now what you could see is that the market needs to generally reprice the euro, and I think there's going to be a lot of trades unwinding over the coming days, so that may well help to underpin the euro. Technically speaking, obviously we've had this massive bull outside day, bulky one day reversal, so that sort of turns the technicals far more positive near term, but there is the element that this chart needs to settle down a bit, I think, and obviously with this payroll support coming up so soon after the ECB, then that's not going to happen in terms of settling. There's going to be more volatility today. So once that payroll support has happened and we can start to settle down a bit next week, we can actually get a gauge exactly of how the market is viewing Eurodollar. But in the near term, I think volatility will reign, and I think that there is that support at 108.10 that we need to watch out for. But a strong payroll support would obviously drag Eurodollar lower again and back towards that support. But still, I think the legacy of this ECB decision will hang in the euro market, and it will be playing out in the coming days. So it'll be interesting to see exactly how this does work, but certainly the improvement is there to be seen, and I think the floor at the moment is 108.10. So we just need to just watch this settle, but volatility today is to be assured. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on Eurodollar today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.